We're talking about properties of rational exponents, and we want to use properties of rational exponents to simplify expressions with rational exponents. So simplify the expression. Your answer should contain only positive exponents. So here we have 4x to the negative third, and then that whole thing is multiplied or is raised to the third power. So what we want to do for this one is we want to do power of a product first. So the product is 4 multiplied by x. So what that means is we're going to take that 3 and we're going to distribute it. So that's power of a product. So we're going to distribute that 3 to both products inside the parenthesis. Let me write that down. Power of a product. And what's product mean? That means multiplication. So power of a product means that there's a product raised to the power, so we distribute that to each. So what we get is we get 4 to the third, and then this next one we have where we have 3 distributed to the x to the negative third. That one is power of a power. So we actually have 2 in 1 right there. So power of a power means that if there's already an exponent and we're raising it to another exponent, what we get to do is we get to multiply those. So we get x times negative third times 3. So we can do this multiplication, and 4 to the third just stays 4 to the third. And then we do this multiplication, we get x to the negative 9th. And now the last one that we can do here is we have a negative exponent, so we can use the negative exponent here. So that says if there's a negative exponent, we can move it to the denominator and make it positive. So 4/3 stays the same in the numerator, 4 to the third, and then we move x to the negative 9th to the denominator and make it positive. The next one we have here is we have 4 to the negative 4th raised to the negative 4th power. So that one is going to be a power of a power. And when we have power of a power, what we can do is we can just multiply the exponents. So that's going to be equal to 4 to the negative 4th times negative 1. Negative 4 times negative 1 is 4 to the 4th. Over here we have 2 to the 4th raised to the 3rd power. So again, that's power of a power. And what we do with power of a power is we multiply the exponents together. So 2 to the 4th times the 3rd, and we get 2 to the 12th.